Here we go.
Move-in day.
Is that tall enough for me?
I think so.
I think that's tall enough. This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the service I use to build my websites. It's awesome. I'll tell you more about it in a moment, but we're doing a vlog video.
Here we are. Where are we? Do they know where we are?
We're in a secret, undisclosed location. It's the shipping container. I'll tell you about it in a second. This is where we stored a lot of our stuff when we were gallivanting.
Yeah, the last months and months.
But we wanted to do a vlog today sharing with you our new living situation.
We got some updates.
So we're going to do a vloggy vlog. And we wanted to say massive thank you for the response to our exciting news of the fourth member of our little unit.
Our little clan. Yeah, we're having another kid, and we're glad to be sharing that with you. And thank you so much for your excitement. It's just really fun to have you along in the journey.
A little clarification, in the title of the last video, I might have gotten a little sensational by saying we were quitting van life, which isn't entirely accurate, but I knew it piques interest, and we're quitting that stage, that time.
Is done, and we're moving on to the next season.
But we're very much going to continue using the van the way that we always have.
Yeah.
We haven't had like a home base, like a place that we come back to in a long time that felt like ours. And so this is a really exciting chapter for us because we now have a place again.
But we are not getting rid of the van.
Yes.
We're like stoked to have the van here at our place, at our disposal when we're ready to use it again.
I want to show you this, but let's rewind the tape for a sec and show you what it was like the day we got access to our suite and we started to move stuff in.
I like the patio furniture as our kitchen setup. You want to give me the micro tour?
Micro tour. We got kitchen. Nice pantry. Beautiful view of the mountains, which are currently covered by clouds. We're about to haul in our couches.
It's weird having this much counter space. What's the biggest new feature?
Dishwasher.
Show me.
Dishwasher! I even have stuff in it right now.
We have never had a dishwasher in our suite.
We had a dishwasher for about 6 months when we first got married. At our very first place. And since then we have not.
Picked up a ton of stuff from storage. Our friends were kindly helping us look after some of our stuff. Thanks, Luke and Steph. And we got to pick a lot of that up today.
All of it.
And as we're loading in all these boxes, I don't know what 95% of it is.
What do you mean? I labeled it all so good.
I know, but like a box says Levi's personals. What's Levi? I don't know what my personals are. Look at all this stuff.
Okay, so can I just give some instructions?
Yep.
So anything kitchen related should be labeled, and it needs to come inside by the kitchen, obviously. And anything like other related, that's what can maybe go in a different, I don't know.
Whoa. Okay, well, we'll just keep moving stuff in over time now. Kind of feels like wedding gifts all over again. Opening up all our boxes that we haven't looked in for 2 years.
We are going to give you a little tour of what it's looking like so far in a little bit. But first, Levi's super stoked to show you his shipping container.
The shipping container. Can I pass you the camera? Here we
Yeah.
go. Okay, so this is the shipping container. And I'm very excited about that. It's awesome to find a place that we could rent where we could drop the container off at the place and have it nearby and have landlords that are gracious enough to be flexible. So we've got the van parked here. We've got the container here. And for a lot of how it's been used for the last bit, it's just been a storage device. So it's kind of in storage mode right now. These big shelves just filled with stuff. We had a lot more in here that we pulled out and brought into the suite now, but this space gets me excited. I'm not more excited about this space than the suite itself, but I mean, our headspace has been having a nice home base where we can come back and I can build and make things and modify things. That's exciting to me. So, I mean, if you back up here a little bit, this is kind of the maker area right now. We've got tools going on. This is kind of my most functional space for building and modifying things right now. But in the future, there's just so many ideas about how we could use this. It could get insulated, and one part could be a studio.
Sounds like you might need a second shipping container.
That would be nice. My friend over at Woby Design, internet friend, he has a container that he set up as a woodworking shop, and he makes these amazing skateboard creations. And just seeing stuff like that get utilized really well definitely gets the gears turning for me. And it feels like there's a lot of options here, and that potential gets me excited. Next up, we're going to play some of the footage that we recorded doing a walkthrough of our suite setup and some of the things that we're excited about. Before we jump to that footage, do you know what I want to do?
Talk about Squarespace.
Squarespace. So Squarespace, if you're unaware, is an all-in-one website building platform. So what that means is that you don't need any special tools or plugins or things to install and upgrade. You basically log into Squarespace, pick one of their amazing designs as a starting point, and then when you start to put your own content into the website builder, it really makes your idea come to life. I first fell in love with Squarespace when, do you know when this was?
No.
You were working at Starbucks, and I was visiting you at Starbucks with my laptop, and sitting there, I was able to build a more beautiful website on Squarespace using a trial than I had been tinkering with the current system that I was using for the previous 6 months.
Yeah, I think you were stoked.
I was looking at this website. I'm like, this actually looks really good. So I bought, upgraded, and I've been using that website ever since for my production company. So if you're curious why I like it, it's because it's drag and drop tools. They've got blocks to integrate whatever it is you're working on, galleries to showcase your work. You can embed videos. They make it really easy to update links. It's great because it's really, really hard to mess things up. I recommend trying what I did. Go over, start a free trial, put your stuff on there, see how great it looks. And when you're ready to commit, make sure that you use our code down in the description for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Let's go inside. Here we go. Whoa. Yay.
Hi, Ember.
Hello. So this is our little home.
So this is the basement suite. Janelle, can you help me do the little tour here? What's the layout?
Yeah, so this is a closet and Amber's bedroom, which is in the works, obviously. We just built her crib, so we need to put away her playpen.
We have a kid's room.
And someday it will be shared with this little one.
By the way, you look very pregnant from this angle.
Yeah, I bet. And eventually all of this camera gear will be gone, right?
Yes. Camera gear is there because the storage container has condensation in the winter.
I know, we're in transition, so.
This is our first suite that has ever had 2 bedrooms. So the layout of this is through this hallway here. This is the area that I just did a video about this. So I've got my workstation in the hallway here. I just did a full walkthrough of all the equipment I'm using, but then over there is Janelle and I's bedroom. But it's kind of this unique hallway space that we tried our best to utilize for a workstation. It's not ideal. That's kind of why I'm thinking about maybe setting up the shipping container to be a better office. But yeah, when kids are getting added to the program, it's very helpful having more than one bedroom in a basement suite.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, Ember.
You're gonna be walking on your own soon. Whoa.
Duck. We've decided that duck is Ember's first word.
Yeah, I was hesitant, but now she's been saying it all day, so. Yeah. Is it almost nap time?
Is it Old MacDonald? Why is it Old MacDonald had a farm? That's so random. Why Old MacDonald?
Is a very common last name.
I do think overall people are going to be very glad to see you an update in this video. See you and Ember. Ember, are you ready to go on an adventure or what? This kid is itching to go. But
Quick before you go, we're still working on the kitchen. And we have this island countertop that you should just show them what you got going on here. We're testing out.
Janelle found this island on Craigslist, and we've clamped it to the top of a plastic folding table. And I've added a tripod over on that side so we can get a sense for, you know, do we like this layout in here? Do we like eating meals at stools?
I'm stoked about it.
Amber, you ready to go on an adventure? You're gearing up to go.
Yeah, today's actually Levi's birthday. We're gonna go
birthday.
get some coffee at the river for his birthday. And you know what? Speaking of birthday, you should, as a little birthday gift, what is it? Click the little join button. A join button and become a member and support us as a little birthday gift to Levi.
To us, to Levi.
to us, to Levi. What do you think about that?
I think we gotta go because this kid's crazy. Not a bad day in March, eh?
It is so nice out. Amazing.
Amber, you having fun? She's having the time of her life. We got some really special stuff coming up. I know we've started off pretty slow this year, our 10th year on YouTube. It's been a pretty slow start, but I assure you there's a lot that we've been working on, a lot coming down the pipeline, and I'm very excited about it.
Stay tuned. I don't even know what's all coming, but big stuff. I'm busy.
Well, you know, one of the biggest things.
Yeah, I do. I do.
And the members know one of the biggest things. Okay, that's gonna be it for this one, and
I gotta go make sure Ember's not gonna eat the grass.
the dogs in the dog park are going crazy. Ember, don't eat the grass. Don't do it.
Oh,
Don't you do it.
looks like it's already been done.
Oh, she's eating grass. Okay, time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for sharing in our excitement over our future kid to come, summer 2021.
It's coming so fast.
Two pandemic babies. Who would have thought? That's gonna be it for this video. Remember,
It's better when you make stuff.